If you're suffering with chronic lower back pain, you might be wondering if supplements or exercise will work better. So we're going to answer that right after this. Hey guys, I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins, and for the last 16 years, we have helped families grow healthier every day by removing the physical, chemical, and emotional barriers to good health. And if back pain slows you down, you might wonder if exercise will help, or maybe you should try supplements. So what we're going to be doing is comparing the best practices, exercises for lower back pain, and the most common supplements that we use for lower back pain. And those will be magnesium, turmeric, and fish oil. Let's first talk about the best practices of exercise for lower back pain. They'll include these things: bird dogs that will strengthen the muscles along the spine and make sure the right and left sides are contracting evenly. Planks, they'll strengthen your entire core better than any sit-up or crunch. Hip bridges are designed to help strengthen your glute muscles and stretch your hip flexors to keep your pelvis balanced. These exercises are incredibly helpful in accomplishing these three things: strengthen the spine, stabilize injured areas, and correct structural imbalances. Now, on the other hand, magnesium will help to relax your muscles, relieving spasm and cramping. Turmeric and fish oil can act on specific inflammatory pathways to relieve pain and reduce inflammation. So if you want to feel better and relax those muscles fairly quickly, then the right combination of supplements just might do the trick. But if you want to correct the underlying problem, then exercise is probably your best choice. Ideally, if you want the best result, you just may want to try both. At Tompkins Family Chiropractic, we work to understand the underlying problems in your spine, correct them with gentle adjustments, stabilize them with the right exercises, and support a healthy lifestyle with the right nutrition and supplementation. Our R3 system will help get you on the right track. So click the link in the notes to schedule an appointment, and we'll be happy to help move your health in the right direction. Guys, I'm Dr. Emil Tompkins, and we will see you on the inside. Oh, and by the way, if you like these kinds of videos, I want you to click the subscribe button so that you are you're able to be connected with us and you can see our latest videos when they come out. If you click the bell, you'll actually get a notification each time you come in. And if you have something that you've taken, a supplement that's worked well for you, or an exercise that really seems to have been able to do the trick, I'd love for you to stick that in the comments. Let us know how you've had success, and we'll see you at the next video. Have a great day, guys.